July, I received a payment for $1,000. In May, I got a payment for $700 right there. In January, I got a nice payment for $960, right? December, I got a payment for $700. This was a pretty good month. November, I got a payment for $1,000. I'm probably like in the top 2 to 3% of content creators on Facebook in terms of the amount of earnings, and then also the views and reach of my content. Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how I'm generating an income stream every single month through my Facebook page by posting content that gets collectively millions of views. So if you're looking to start monetizing your content, I think a lot of people don't know that this is even possible on Facebook. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm personally doing it, and then also give you a few steps to get started monetizing your own content. So I've got my Meta Business Suite dashboard pulled up here, and you can take a look at some of my recent posts. These are the posts and reels, photos, videos. And if I want to view the insights on, let's say, this one, for example, I can click on See Insights, and then it will pop open this window right here. You can see my total reach on this video, which I just posted yesterday, is 149,000 views. And if I scroll down, you can take a look at all of the comments and everything. I get lots and lots of comments on my posts. And this is just a video from, a couple months ago that got a ton of views, and I just decided to turn around and repost it again. So this is a strategy that can work. And then I also just made this post today as well on Facebook and Instagram. If I open this up, you can see my insights, and it looks like it doesn't currently have the number of views because I just posted it recently. But if I go over to Insights here on the left, then I can come to Results. And you can see right here, I've gotten 5.7 million views this month alone. No Photoshop, right? This is actually how many views I have. And then you can also take a look at the reach over here as well. So yesterday I reached 520,000 people, and I got 794,000 views on my content. Keep in mind, these people are potential clients. They're potential, subscribers for my channel. It's just a great way to get your message out there and also get people into my Facebook group as well. So on a lot of these posts, I'm basically just including a link to my Facebook group at the very top in order to get people in here. And this has 18,000 members so far and counting. I provide a lot of value in here. People post a lot in this Facebook group as well. So that's where I'm sending them in the funnel. But back to this, you can see the total number of link clicks as well, 2,300 link clicks. Those are mostly people like going to my Facebook group in this case, or my website. And then content interactions around 60,000, 43,000 visits to my page this month alone. Looks like it had about 6,500 in a single day. And as you can see here, in the past week, I've made about $110. That's from the content monetization program. So there's different monetization programs. I'm currently on content monetization. They also have another one, which is Instream ads. So here's Instream ads. Those are the ads that are running on my videos. It looks like Instream ads are no longer active because I've switched over to content monetization moving forward. And then they also have ads on Reels. This is also no longer active because, once again, I'm just monetizing everything through this particular program right here. I used to be using in-stream ads and ads on Reels, but now I've switched over to this. And I can also take a look at my earnings here as well. So I'm just going to open up video earnings. It's about $780, right? So that's what is that? That's like $250 a month, roughly. And that's consistent as well. Sometimes more, sometimes less. If I take a look at the last, this year, let's just take a look at the entire year, and we'll see how much I've made. That's about 2.2, so $2,200 just by posting content. And you can see some of my most popular videos here as well. This one's actually AI generated. It's a monkey cooking Thai food, and it brought in 2.3 million views, and I made about $110 from that. You can also see the in-stream ads versus the content monetization earnings. So at this time, I was still earning with the Instream ads, which are basically ads that are running on my videos. Very similar to here on YouTube. You get paid based on the number of impressions that your ads get that are running on your videos. So same case for this one. This is just a video driving around Samui, showing the beautiful island. This one brought in $71, and you can see here it's split between content monetization and the in-stream ads right here. And by the way, for in-stream ads, the videos usually do have to be over a minute long, although I think they've recently changed that. And in order to get monetized, you need 10,000 followers, I believe, although they may have lowered it to, I think they lowered it to 5,000 followers now, and 300,000 watch hours. That's the bare minimum that you will need in order to start monetizing your content. And oh, wow. So this year I've reached 47 million views in total. We had a really, really big peak right here where I reached, like 2.9 million views in a single day. And you can also see the content interactions and the watch time as well. The watch time is what's really amazing. 2,100 days of watch time. My most popular video had a watch time of 333 days, and the second most popular one is 55 days. This is actually an AI generated avatar that I created of myself, and it has 130,000 views. And I made about $10 from this one. It's not a huge amount of money, right? But it is pretty good for living in Thailand. I'm based here in Koh Samui, which is a beautiful island in the tropics in southern Thailand, and the cost of living is a lot lower over here. So pretty much between YouTube and Facebook monetization programs, I'm able to have a pretty good lifestyle over here, right? Just by doing this. And by the way, this also works on photo posts as well, because you can get paid what's called performance bonuses. So here's an example of a photo post that I made that generated a lot of conversation, lots of negative comments in here as well, unfortunately. But it just generated a lot of comments, and well, it doesn't actually say how much I made from this post, but you can also get paid for your static photo or text posts as well. And recently, I've learned that text posts are doing quite well. So basically, you make a post and you can include a bunch of comments down below as well. There's a tool to do this, which is called Threadmaster. I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but if you have any questions about it, just drop a comment down below. So in order to get started with monetization, you will have to receive a personal invite from Facebook inviting you to the monetization program. And that could take, a couple weeks. It could take months. It could take years. It's entirely depending on, what kind of content you're posting. If you're posting things that conform to the standards that Facebook is looking for, obviously you don't want to be posting copyrighted content, that sort of thing as well. So don't be stealing other people's content and posting it as your own. And eventually you'll receive a personal invite from Facebook. And then once that's done, then you'll be approved into basically the partner program. And then you'll basically just be getting paid every single month, direct deposit into your bank account. I can actually switch this over to my other account right here, just to show you the proof that I am receiving payments every single month. So there we go. You can see here in July, I received a payment for $1,000. And that's strictly from earning money from my content on the platform. In May, I got a payment for $700 right there. Before that, in January, I got a nice payment for $960, right? Before that, December, I got a payment for $700. This was a pretty good month. November, I got a payment for $1,000. So I would say I'm probably like in the top 2 to 3% of content creators on Facebook in terms of the amount of earnings, and then also the views and reach of my content. So if you want any more information, I'll leave a link down below where you can access my program. I have like a Facebook monetization program, which is on my page over here. I have a bunch of stuff over here actually. AI automation tools. And then I've also got the Facebook monetization framework right here. And this one, it starts at $19. I've also got a $29 program and then a $49 program, which includes the step-by-step monetization guide and separated up into course modules. And then for $19, you get the video training modules. And then for $29, you get the full ebook, which is, I believe, like 70 pages long, something like that. So you can go ahead, check that out. And yeah, I guess with that being said, let me know if you have any questions, if you want to get started with monetizing, your content on Facebook. You can also schedule a call with me as well. I'd be happy to help however I can. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Peace from Thailand.